Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to solve first two questions of summer 2020, variant 1-3, and the code is 9709 for AS students. Okay, as all of you can see, question number one. Question number one is saying find the set of values of m. First thing which you should note, whenever it is written values. So values means that the m will be having more than one value. Okay, for which the line with equation, you can see the line equation is linear. What it is? Linear. What linear means? Linear means no power of x. This is y is equal to mx plus 1 and the curve with equation. And the equation of the curve will be either quadratic, right? Or either it will be the multiples of x and y, x, y. It will, in easy words, it will not be linear. Okay, when they say intersect at two distinct points. So when the word distinct is written, what should come in your mind very quickly? The discriminant should come in your mind, which is b square minus 4ac, and distinct means greater than 0. Okay, now let's start our question. Question is y is equal to y. Let's make it very, very simple for all of you. Y is equal to y. So always write the quadratic equation first, which is 3x square plus 2x plus 4. This is equal to now equation of the line, which is mx plus 1. Now, what is the rule of solving such questions? Bring all the things to one side, which is 3x square plus 2x minus mx plus 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, look, we'll simplify 3x square plus what we will do, we'll take out x common, 2 minus m, x is outside, x was common in both of these, right? But remember one thing, whenever we are taking out common, the variables means x, x square, these things, whenever you take them out common, please always write on the other side, not before. Then plus 4 minus 1 is 3 is 0. Now you can see, now we are going to use the discriminant, this one. You can see a is always the value which is the coefficient of x square, which is 3. B is always the coefficient of x, which is 2 minus m, and c is always the constant. Now we are going to plug in these values into b square minus 4ac greater than 0. So this will become 2 minus m square minus 4 times 3 is greater than 0. Now when you will simplify 2 minus m square, if you remember, the formula was a minus b whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? Okay, either do it like this or either the way other students do a minus b whole square means a minus b, a minus b. But this is the best one. Okay, now so this a is 2 and b is m. When you will plug in the values in this above formula, it will become 2 square means 4 minus 2ab means 2 into 2 into m. So it will be 4m plus b square means m square minus 4 times 9 is 36, which is greater than 0. Now we are having, let's arrange it, m square minus 4m minus 36 plus 4 is minus 32 is greater than 0. Now look, here we go. Now we are in this condition, m square minus 4m minus 32 is greater than 0. Okay. Now there are two ways. One way is mode 5-3. If you people remember, mode 5-3. One is this, the computer way, calculator way. The other one is the manual where we do the breaking of the middle term, means we will take two multiples of 32. When we multiply, we should get 32. So it is 8 into 4. And when we break we subtract, we should get minus 4 means minus 8 plus 4. Now look here what I will do. This I will first, we will leave it like this. Then minus 4m, we'll break it down. Always the big number. This is the big number. Always the big number here. Always the big number first. Minus 8m plus 4m minus 32 is greater than 0. Now we'll take out common. So here m is common. Inside m minus 8 plus 4 is common. Inside m minus 8 greater than 0. So when we factorize, we are getting m plus 4 and m minus 8 greater than 0. Okay, what are the critical values? Look here, we use the word here. Critical values are m plus 4 means minus 4 and minus 8 means plus 8, right? So therefore, your answer will always remember how we do. You are going to look, this is something very, very important. You are going to look at the second last step. Your second last step is this. Look, in the second last step, if the mouth of inequality is like this, then we write the answer like m is less than the small number and m is greater than the big number. This is the answer, okay? So if you want to do on this number line, look here. On the number line, we do like this. This is your minus 4. This is your 8. So my two distinct points will be, look, this will pass from here and it will pass from this, right? So this portion we do not take. We take this portion and we take this portion. And how you know that it will be a parabola? Remember one thing in the question, when it is positive x square means x square, this is a tip, x square means a parabola. If it is negative x square, so then it means hyperbola. Actually, these tips help us a lot to getting to a conclusion that either we are doing correct or either we are doing wrong. I hope all of you have understood question number 1. Okay, now question number 2. The equation of curve is such that dy by dx is given to you. It is given, the point is given, and they want equation of the curve. So always remember, whenever you are reading a question and there it is written equation of curve, immediately what should come in your mind? It is integration. Okay, equation of curve means integration. Note, you can note one side. If they say equation of tangent or equation of normal, then what should come in your mind? Differentiation. Okay, these are the applications. So equation of curve is always integration. Now we'll start our question. Now look over here. It is, we will separate the variables. We will write dy here, and I will take 3x raised to power half minus 3x raised to power minus half. I'll put it in the bracket with dx. Now what I will do, I will take the integral sign on both the sides. So dy will become y. Now some children ask this common question, how it has become y? So remember one thing, if I am differentiating, it is written only 2 dx. Look, 2 is written. 2 is a number, right? So in integration, what we do, we add 1x. So it will become 2x. If it is written 2x dx, so it will become 2x square over 2. And plus c comes every time, right? So this 2 will get cancelled. So it will be x square plus c. Remember one thing, in integration we add 1 to the power and we divide by the new power. So now coming back to the question, here it was dy. Dy means what? Dy means it was 1 dy, right? So 1 has become y. If it was 2, it will become 2y. If it is 3, it will become 3y, right? Okay, now let's continue the question. So this will become 3x. Half, now look over here, half plus 1. You should be very good in calculations. Half plus 1 is 3 by 2. One side. Minus half plus 1 is 1 by 2. So 3x half plus 1 will become 3 by 2, and I will divide by 3 by 2, the new power. Minus 3x minus half, I will minus half plus 1 will become half plus half, right? So I will write half, positive half, and I will divide by plus half plus c. C is a constant variable. Now look over here. What is happening now? We will cancel this 3 and 3, and this 2 will go up because the reciprocal goes up. So it will be y is equal to 2x 3 by 2. This will go up. So minus 2 into 3, 6x half plus c. Now what we will do, we'll use the 0.47 to get the value of c. Remember, this is the answer. But always remember, whenever we are finding the equation of the curve, we cannot write any constant. It has to be a number. So in place of y, I'm going to plug in 7. In place of x, 4 will come. 3 by 2 minus 6, 4 half plus c. When you will simplify all this, you will find the value of c as 3. So therefore, your equation of curve will be y is equal to 2x 3 by 2 minus 6x half plus 3. I think all of you must have understood this, right? So inshallah, in the next video, I will do the same variant, same year, other questions. 2, 2, 3, 3, like this I will continue, inshallah.